Hey there, and welcome to Easy English with Essie. I'm Essie, and today I'm going to teach you 10 alternative words which you can use instead of good. And before we get started, if you would like to see more videos like these, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell to be notified when I upload next. Now let's begin with the lesson. A lot of people prefer to use the word good to describe everything. I myself am guilty of that. Good is just such an easy and good word to use, and it's also convenient when you're lost for words and you can't think of any other word to answer a question with. So the first word that comes to your mind is good. For example, there are people who answer everything with the word good. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Hey, how was the movie? It was good. Hey, how was the food I cooked for you? It was good. So when you answer everything with good, and if you keep using that word over and over again, it becomes a bit boring. So let's make things a little more interesting by using alternative words instead of good. You can use this word to talk about food or how good something tasted. So you could say, the food was delicious instead of saying it was good. This also makes the person who cooked the food feel more appreciated when you use the word delicious. You can use the word spectacular to describe a performance if you thought it was really good. If you watched a group perform something like a dance or an acrobatics act, you can say their performance was spectacular. Or, what a spectacular performance. You can also use this word to talk about a really good view from a place. The view from the top of Mount Everest is just spectacular. Oh, I'm sorry. So, how do you describe a good book that you just read? Well, you could say the book was incredible. Or you could say the book was so compelling that I just couldn't put it down. That means the book was so interesting that you just couldn't stop reading it. How do you describe a great movie that you just watched? You could say, the movie was thrilling. Or you could say, it was humorous if the movie was funny and it made you laugh. So your friend or someone you know just came up with a really good idea. So how do you tell them that you think it's a good idea instead of using the word good? Well, you could say, that's a marvelous idea. Or you could say, that's a terrific idea. If you think that someone's work is really good and you would like to let them know, you could say, it's brilliant. And finally, if you like the way someone looks, or if you like what they're wearing, you could say, it's gorgeous. And that's the end of the lesson. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit the like button. You can also leave me a suggestion in the comments below as to which topic I should cover in my next video. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.